Welcome to Wow Decor Tube, and thank you for spending your time with us today. In this video, we are diving into the expressive world of abstract wooden art, where creativity flows freely and form speaks louder than words. Our focus is on how wood, especially when shaped into abstract center tables and artistic furniture pieces, beautifully bridges the gap between the aesthetic and the personal. This journey is not only about design, but about emotion, nature, and opportunity. It is about discovering how wood's warm, organic presence can be transformed into meaningful art that resonates deeply with people, while also holding strong potential as a profitable creative business for nature and art lovers alike. Abstract wooden art invites us to move beyond strict definitions and expectations. Instead of focusing on realism or rigid symmetry, abstract design allows intuition, feeling, and interpretation to guide the creative process. When applied to a wooden center table, abstraction turns a functional object into a statement piece that sparks curiosity and conversation. Wood stands out among creative materials because it already carries life within it. Its grains, knots, and textures act like natural brushstrokes, making every piece unique before the artist even begins. This natural individuality makes wood the perfect medium for abstract expression, as it supports both bold artistic vision and subtle emotional storytelling. The warmth of wood plays a powerful role in how abstract designs are received. Unlike cold or synthetic materials, wood has an inviting presence that instantly softens a space. An abstract wooden center table does not feel distant or untouchable like some modern art forms can. Instead, it feels grounded, familiar, and human. This balance is what allows abstract wooden art to appeal to a wide audience. Nature lovers are drawn to the organic feel and natural textures, while art lovers appreciate the freedom of form and emotional depth. This overlap is exactly where accessible craftsmanship meets market appeal. The creative range within abstract wooden center tables is incredibly broad. Some designs lean toward intricately carved forms that tell quiet stories through curves, layers, and shadows. These pieces feel expressive and soulful, inviting viewers to pause and interpret them in their own way. Other designs embrace simplicity through clean lines, bold shapes, and geometric balance, adding a modern touch to contemporary interiors. Both approaches are equally powerful, and wood supports them effortlessly. The natural grain becomes part of the composition, enhancing both complex and minimal designs with depth and character. What makes abstract wooden furniture especially inspiring is how approachable it can be for creators. While the final result may look sophisticated and gallery-worthy, the process itself can begin with basic tools and simple techniques. The journey often starts with selecting a piece of wood that feels right, allowing its shape and grain to guide the design. Instead of forcing the material into a strict plan, the maker responds to what the wood offers. This intuitive approach makes the process less intimidating and more enjoyable, especially for beginners. It shows that craftsmanship does not have to be rigid to be refined. As the table begins to take shape, sanding and carving reveal the hidden beauty within the wood. Rough edges soften, textures become more intentional, and the abstract form starts to feel balanced and complete. This transformation is deeply satisfying to watch and experience. It demonstrates how patience and attention can elevate raw material into functional art. Viewers watching this process on Wood Art Tube can easily imagine themselves creating something similar, which is a powerful source of inspiration. When creativity feels achievable, it encourages action rather than hesitation. The natural grains and textures of wood are central to the emotional impact of abstract design. Light interacts differently with each curve and surface, creating depth and movement throughout the day. This dynamic quality makes an abstract wooden center table feel alive within a space. It changes subtly depending on lighting and perspective, offering a fresh experience over time. This living quality is one reason why people form strong emotional connections with wooden furniture. It becomes part of their daily environment, not just a decorative object. From a business perspective, abstract wooden center tables hold strong potential. They are functional, artistic, and emotionally engaging, which makes them highly desirable. Buyers are often willing to invest in such pieces because they serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. A center table is a long-term presence in a home, and when it is also a piece of art, it carries added value. For creators, this means fewer pieces can generate meaningful income, especially when each table is positioned as a unique, handmade work rather than mass-produced furniture. Storytelling plays an important role in turning abstract wooden art into a profitable business. People love knowing the inspiration behind a piece, whether it comes from nature, emotion, or the natural flow of the wood itself. When buyers understand the process and intention behind an abstract table, they feel more connected to it. This connection builds trust and appreciation, making the artwork more memorable and desirable. Wood Art Tube celebrates this storytelling aspect, helping viewers see that selling art is not just about objects, but about sharing experiences and values. The versatility of abstract wooden center tables also contributes to their market appeal. They can fit into many interior styles without losing their artistic identity. In modern homes, they act as bold statement pieces. In natural or rustic spaces, they blend seamlessly while still standing out. This adaptability allows creators to reach a broader audience while staying true to their artistic vision. By adjusting scale, finish, or form, one concept can be interpreted in multiple ways, offering creative freedom and business flexibility. Sustainability adds another meaningful layer to abstract wooden art. Many creators choose to work with responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood, which aligns with the values of environmentally conscious buyers. Nature lovers especially appreciate furniture that reflects respect for natural resources. An abstract wooden center table made from reclaimed wood carries a story of renewal and transformation, making it even more powerful emotionally. This ethical dimension enhances both the artistic and commercial value of the piece. For viewers, watching abstract wooden art come to life can be both calming and motivating. The slow, deliberate movements, the focus on texture and form, and the absence of rigid rules create a relaxing viewing experience. At the same time, it sparks curiosity and creative confidence. Viewers begin to imagine their own ideas, their own designs, and even their own creative paths. This balance between relaxation and inspiration is what makes content on Wood Art Tube so engaging and meaningful. If you are enjoying today's content and finding inspiration in abstract wooden center table ideas, your support truly means a lot to us. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps Wood Art Tube grow and allows more people to discover creative ideas that blend art, nature, and craftsmanship. In closing, abstract wooden art represents a powerful meeting point between function and feeling, design and intuition, accessibility and market appeal. Wooden center tables, with their warm organic presence and endless creative possibilities, show how art can live naturally within everyday spaces. From intricately carved expressions to simple geometric forms, these pieces bridge the gap between the aesthetic and the personal in a way few materials can. They remind us that creativity does not need strict rules to be valuable, and that with patience, intention, and respect for the material, wood can become both meaningful art and a sustainable source of income. Thank you for spending this creative time with Wood Art Tube, and remember that every abstract idea has the potential to become something beautiful, functional, and deeply inspiring.